Happy Cinco de Mayo, and for today's video I'm going to be cleaning under my sink, so stay tuned. Welcome back to Live, Laugh, Love with Jen. This is 10 Minutes Better. It is a collaboration hosted by one of my dearest friends here on YouTube. Her name is Melinda. Her channel name is Melinda, plain and simple, and I am going to link her in my description box below, and I would love for you to check her out. So to celebrate Cinco de Mayo, I'm just going to clean out under my sink. My sink is not that dirty underneath, however, it's just regular maintenance, because we know if we do not do that regular maintenance that it does get out of control sometimes. So I hope this motivates and inspires you. So this is what I'm starting with under the sink. Honestly, it's not too bad. There are just a few things out of place. So I just need to set my timer for 10 minutes, take everything out, wipe it down, and put everything back.
Secondhand, I felt a bit forgotten. Not your plan, but now the days of silence outgrow the fun things we have done. But tell me, do you wanna carry on? Plants don't grow without water, and they cave when it's cold. We could go till we're older. Put your head on my shoulder and let's enjoy the ride. When we started, our wishes aligned. We were like yin and yang combined. Now the tables have turned. Can we live and unlearn? You tell me. Plants don't grow without water, and they cave when it's cold. We could go till we're older. Put your head on my shoulder and let's enjoy the ride. Let's just live life. Anything, anywhere, I don't really care, as long as I'm with you. Say something, don't be speechless, I'm sleepless. So
minutes better. I love the way that sounds because I am such a firm believer in cleaning in small steps. Sometimes we do not have an hour to devote to cleaning. Sometimes we do not have 30 minutes to devote to cleaning. Sometimes we do not have a whole day to devote to cleaning. Sometimes we might just have maybe 10 minutes or 5 minutes, but those small chunks of time doing something can make a big impact. So when Melinda was telling me about this collaboration, I knew that this would be something perfect for me to do, and I decided that I wanted my first one to be the one that she challenged everyone to come up with something around the term sink, because today is Cinco de Mayo and I knew that I needed to tidy up under my sink, and I knew that was a project that I could do in 10 minutes or less. If you are new to my channel, I want to take just a moment to introduce myself. My name is Jen. I am a former teacher and heart warrior and would love to have you as part of my growing YouTube family.
Seems like forever since we've been together. Oh God, I miss you bad, and I read your letters, look at your pictures. Oh God, I miss you so bad. It's been
So this is what it looks like now. It actually took me under 10 minutes. I have my gloves still hanging here. I have my soap refills, I have my dishwashing detergent, I have my disposal cleaners, I have my dishwashing pods, I have my kitchen cleaning supplies, I have some fresh sponges here, and then over here I have some kitchen cleaning supplies that I do not use very often. And then back here I have a vase that I sometimes use. And then right here I have this little jar of paintbrushes and different types of brushes that I use for deep cleaning but do not use often, so I just kind of tuck it away back in there. And then here I have my little drain thing and a brush. I guess I should turn the brush the right way. Let's see. I'm going to put it like that. So there we go. So there it is, all finished in under 10 minutes. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I would love if you would become part of my YouTube family by clicking on that subscribe button, and it's completely and totally free. And I just remember, take time to live, laugh, and love today. Love you guys. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.